creamer. Put on the weights, up, 15 grams, good. 5 grams here, but I'm gonna leave it open. My guess is it will be 10 grams or nothing. The machine is sensitive until 5 grams. Exciting. Guess who was right? Me! So, that's it. Perfectly balanced. Going on the car. Then I'm gonna adjust the lights for the technical inspection. And then we're good to go. Or at least my client is good to go. Yep. Yep. Put one in by hand. Take your little machine if you have one. Up. And now it cannot move anymore. Haha. And everything is aligned for the other bolts. Trick of the trade. Oh, listen. Somebody with a small always first tighten it like this, cross pattern. Now we're gonna make sure they're properly torqued. And drop the car a bit. Oh! No pressure. That's good. Need to have 6 bores for approximately of the security which holds the bridge will not disengage and your core can fall down. Safety first. 120 Newton meters for most cars, that's okay. Unless you have a really big or small car. Normal cars, 120. And you're good to go. A little bit of adjustment. Voila. Bon, that's it. This is the end of the video. Just click in the plastic Audi cup, or how do you want to call it, cover, wheel cover. Oh yeah, wait, there's a little pin to align it, and you can, oh, it's here. So this has to align with this, or this is gonna bend something, which you cannot miss because the holes align it also. Yep, and that's it. See you in the next one.